Alright, y'all. So I'm back with another video. So I'm under my 2014 Chevy SS. On today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all on how to get this crankshaft sensor out. So it's not at the top of the car. You'd think it's at the top of the car, but no, it's at the bottom of the car. So when you getting this crankshaft sensor out, you gotta get these two long screws that's gonna go through here. That's gonna go through here. You got one right here and one right here. And then you gotta get, you gotta get this little screw out. So this little screw right here, this little thing right here, this bracket go right here. So that's how you're gonna be able to get the start out. Then it's the little bracket right here. It's a little screw go through this. And it is this right here. This right here. So what I use to get it out is I use a 10 mil or 10. Oh, y'all see it, it's a 10. You gotta use this and you got to do like this. Oh snap. You got to wiggle it. You go back that way. And you gotta flip it and go back that way. So after you get done taking it out, then you gotta like wiggle it. It ain't no room. Like y'all can tell, ain't no room. So when you get done, you just wiggle it and then you push it out. And then that's how I got it out. The code is, it's gonna be like a P0335, something like that. It's gonna be like misfire. It's gonna be like make your car start up real slow. Then when you put gas in your car, it's gonna make you hesitant on starting. So this is my problem right here. I don't know why they put this at the bottom. Why y'all can't put it up here, like on top of the car? Why? But I was just showing y'all on how to get the crankshaft sensor out on a 2014 or 2015 or 2016 Chevy SS.